1, 2, 3. We're back down South Florida. This time we came with the jet ski. We're going out to get some, hopefully, snapper, some sort. Woo, here we go. It's this guy's big birthday today. We got a big 13-year-old right here. Let's sing happy birthday to him, everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, DJ. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, Kenny.
You got Mariah?
It's too rough, we'll just come back here. Yeah. Alright, we'll take this way. Alright, go ahead and sit down, Josh. Drove around for a while looking for reef, but it's not like Fort Lauderdale. So we're gonna put in right here with a little chum bag of sardines and see if we can get some snapper. We are 100 yards off shore, so that's all that matters. Woo! Woo! Here goes Chase. Beautiful. All right, we're getting ready to chum the water with a bunch of sardines. And a chum net right here. Josh is moving the anchor over a little bit because we're getting sucked into the inlet. So this is either a white grunt or a burrito grunt. Looks like a mangrove snapper.
I know, he looks like a mangrove. Look at him. He does. He's got like a big eye. Huh?
Green hair shark. Hustle. Go, go, go.
Yeah, there's a second one. Oh, you good? Go look that way.
Coming up on an iguana.
You okay, Dad? Where they walk? They walk like a snake. Oh, shoot. Oh, right there.
Want to go swim out there and get him on film? Get your mat. It's a school of Jack. They just came through right here. So we stopped at Peanut Island here to warm up.
I think he sees the cannon.
Chase, he's attacking the one you put over there.
Really?
Come this side so you don't spook him.
Oh, God. Empty shell.
All right, so we just saw a bunch of jack tearing up the top of the water around Peanut Island. So we got some topwater lures on. We're gonna go and try and get a couple before dark. Wish us luck. Woo. Nice shallow right there. Look at that big starfish.
Oh, wow. It's,
Pull it, pull it. They're right there. They're right there next to the seagulls. Chase, you got one? Ho-ho! Yeah, boys. Oh, you got him. You still got him. Oh, you got him. Woo! Get closer. Get closer to Josh. Josh, get closer. Oh my gosh. Whew. Son. Wait. Loosen the drag a little bit. Oh, did he go around the rocks? Here. Oh, here. Go that way. Walk that way. Keep your tip up. Keep your tip up. Loosen the drag. Woo-hoo! Happy birthday, son. Here, let me get. Oh.
monster!
Yeah. Okay, right. Step on a sharp shell. Woo! Nice jack. Bring him up here. Stay right here. Yeah, cast. Here, hold this camera. I'll get this off.
Sorry.
Here you go.
First one I got broke off. And then immediately I got another one on. What I like about this is
Nice. All right, throw him back in the water.
Wait, what?
Yeah. You don't eat, Jack. You gotta throw him. Woo. Nice release. Josh, you gotta release him. Here. All right. Cast out, Chase, quick. Get another one while they're still here.
I'll hold both.
All right, cool. Go down there, I think down there, maybe, or cast straight out.
They're close to the rocks.
Good shark bait, that's about it.
These are holding from the gills.
No, just grab them by the tails. One in each hand. Oh yeah, Chase is on. Woohoo! Move it like a fish. Yeah, buddy. Nice.
Deuces.
That's a good picture.
Right here to the left.
I can do it, Dad.
I want to get one. Chase, go.
I am.
It's still here.
You got one, Joe?
Oh, John.
Yeah.
Is that a rock?
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, look at this out there. Oh yeah, I'm on. Oh.
No, just keep it. Oh my. Dad, right over there. Right there. Cast right there. Yeah, they're all over there.
Right there?
Yeah. That's what I said. Instantly.
Oh my god.
Woo.
I'm on the rock. One more. In the sun.
Oh yeah. Sick.
Ow. Or not.
Oh.
Yeah.
Jack everywhere. Here, trade. I only got one fish. It's about to get lit up. Oh, wait, don't cross his line.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. That is a monster.
Now you need your drag right. Yeah, this is why we came to South Florida.
Do not break off. Please do not break
Get me
off.
in, Jack.
Oh, did you see that boil?
Josh, you got one on? There's one right here. Look, there's a whole bunch over right here. Staying right next to this other one. Oh, I got him.
Oh my, that's a monster.
Yeah, side hunt.
Woo!
Chase. All right. We'll get this off so you can get one.
Cool.
Yeah, pin him down as hard as you can.
Here you go.
There.
Woo-hoo. Sick. Here you go.
Get you one, son. Right here, right here, right here. Chase, right there, right here. Literally right on the beach. Look. No, further than that. Oh, there they are. They're coming for it.
I think they fit your lure off.
Huh? No, throw right there, throw right there, throw right there. Straight right there. Straight right there, right there. They're coming up here. Yeah. Reel it, real fast. Oh, yeah! Keep your tip up. Yeah, buddy, keep the tip up. Let him run, let him run. Don't reel when he's running. Keep the tip up. Look, hey, keep your tip up. There, just like that, always. There you go.
I'll take the camera. If you wanna, I don't know which artificial you want on there. Pull it in, pull it. Keep it tight, keep it tight. That's wrong. There you go. There you go. Pull up and then reel. There you go. Here. There you go. That's one of the biggest ones yet. Nice. Very nice.
You don't need to be revived.
Nope, yeah, you gotta just toss them back in. There you go, there you go. There you go, reel it in.
Oh man. Oh, that's it.
Yep.
Obviously not.
No, it's Jack. Yep, just hold him down, yep. There you go, smile. Yeah. On a spoon! There you go. Look at the size of that thing! Yeah, but I don't know. Go get that! Yeah. Oh my, I don't know, but... Oh my god. It's a keeper. That's a keeper.
It is a slot snack, but I wonder if it's still the season, is it?
Somebody got a phone?
Eat them real quick.
Yeah, March 18th.
Oh. That was amazing.